This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Amber Patrick. This fantastic home is located just outside of city limits and will be a perfect fit for many buyers. Many updates include luxury vinyl plank flooring, carpet, new lifetime warranty roof, windows, HVAC, wiring and plumbing. This property offers a large master bedroom with walk-in closet and updated master bathroom featuring a large soaker tub and walk-in shower. There is a large partially finished basement with the potential for a fourth bedroom and third bathroom. You will also enjoy the large workshop with storage and automatic garage door. You won't want to miss this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Amber Patrick at 309-833-4577.